Students, today we are going to see subtracting 0 from a number and subtract to compare. So, in the last class we have seen how to subtract the number, that is with regrouping and without regrouping. Here we are going to see subtracting a number, that is subtracting 0 from a number how to subtract 0, and then subtract to compare. These two things we are going to see here, and then we shall try to exercise problems. So, the first one is subtracting 0 from a number how the 0 can be subtracted. So, this is the thing that we should know, that is when we subtract 0 from a number, the result is the number itself. What is given here? When we subtract 0, that is 0 from a number, if any number, take example 12, this is the number that we are subtracting 0 to this number, we will get the result is the number, result means the answer. The result is the number itself means this number itself the answer. So, the result how it will be? The same answer, 12 minus 0 is 12. So, while we are in the addition, we have seen 12 plus 0 means it's 12. To any number, this if 0 is added or subtracted, the answer will be the same which number itself. That number itself will be the answer. So, what is given? When we subtract 0 from a number we are subtracting 0. The result is the number itself. So, this is the thing we have to know. Then subtract to compare. So, nothing but we have to compare. The two numbers will be compared there. That is mean by subtract to compare. We shall see two examples, then you will come to know what is mean by that. So, we shall try to the exercise problem 4.3. Fill in the boxes. Here the blanks are given, so we are going to fill that one. So, the thing that we have come to know how to do this, subtracting 0 from a number. Here the same thing, exercise is given here, 6 minus 0, this is the number, to this number 0 is subtracted. So, what will you get? The same number, this number only will be the answer. So, write this 6 in the box. So, answer is 6 here. And the next one is 24 minus 0. So, what will be the answer? The same number, the number itself is the answer. So, 12 minus the box is given, empty box is given. So, you are going to find this, what is the answer. So, is equal to 12. So, 12 minus what number will come the same result, the same number is came. So, what will be the answer here in this box? 0 to the number. If 0 is subtracted to the number, then only we will get the same answer as 12. If some other number other than 0 means it will be subtracted from this number, or else it will be the wrong answer, it will not be the same answer. 12 minus 0 will be the 12. So, this is only the number that we have to write here. And here 9 minus 0, what will be the answer? The same number itself. So, this is the thing that when we subtract 0 from a number, the result is the number itself. Now, the result is the number itself what we are subtracting, that 0 number to that number. So, the next one is the word problem is given. Solve the word problems. Ronnie has 67 stickers. Ria has 44 less stickers than Ronnie. How many stickers does Ria has? So, what is given in the question? There are two numbers are given, that is one for Ronnie and another one for Ria. So, what is given here is Ronnie's number has been given here. Set is stickers. How many stickers that Ronnie has? How many stickers she is having? 67 stickers. And next one is Ria. So, this is mean by here comes that to compare the numbers. Here we are comparing the number, that is Ria has 44 less stickers than Ria. What is given here? Less stickers. Less means kamya. It's less than the number above. So, it is compared. See, two names are compared here, Ria and here Ronnie. So, Ria's number is compared with Ronnie. So, Ria has 44 less stickers than Ronnie. How much Ronnie is having? 67. From this number is less 1. So, from this 44 is less, 67 minus 44. So, we have compared two numbers, Ria's number and the Ronnie number. So, what the question is, how many stickers does Ria have? They have asked the Ria's number. Ronnie's number is given here as 67. Ria's number how they have given? just compare the number with Ronnie. So Riya has 44 less stickers than Ronnie. See to here what number is given for Ronnie is 67. So we are subtracting the number 44 to this number 67 minus 44. So then we can find the answer for Riya's number. How much Riya is having, like that we can find here how many stickers does Riya have. So while we are subtracting 44 to this number, we will get the answer for Riya. So how will you subtract? We have seen in the last class with regrouping and without regrouping. So that same thing we are going to apply here. First what we have to do, we have to write the solution part. First we have to write the number of Ronnie that has stickers, how much she is having stickers, like that we have to write. Ronnie has how many stickers? 67. So write as 67. And then Riya has less stickers. Has less stickers. Less stickers is 44. So what we are going to find? How many stickers does Riya have? So Riya stickers, okay. So we are going to find this one. To find this, what we have to do? We have to give the place values for this number. So up to which place value you will write? Up to tens place, because it is a 2-digit number. For 2-digit number, you will be writing up to tens place. So write the places. Ones place and a tens place. So now fill the numbers given here. First number is 67. So write the number in the places. 7 in the ones place and 6 in the tens place. And the next number is 44. We have compared that this one is less to this number. So while we are comparing, we have to subtract the number. So 44, 4 in the ones place and 4 in the tens place. Now we have to subtract this number. So subtract. To subtract, first we have to subtract in the ones place and then in the tens place. How will you subtract? 7 in the mind and 4 in the fingers. This is for subtraction. 7 in the mind and 4 in the fingers. You will say before number of 7. What is the number before 7? Is 6. So count from 6. Before number 6, 5, 4, 3. Now write the number 3 in the ones place. And then after subtracting to the ones place, we have to subtract in the tens place number. What is given in the tens place? 6 tens and 4 tens. So 6 should be in your mind and 4 in the fingers. Say before number 6 is 5, 4, 3, 2. Now write 2 in the tens place. How you have subtracted? First write the places and then fill the values in the places. And then subtract from the ones place, and then next to ones place you will subtract to the tens place. First number should be in the mind and the next number in the fingers. 4 in the fingers, 7 in the mind. Say before number of 7, then you will get the answer 3. By saying the answer, by saying the number, you will fold the fingers. 7 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. Before number you will say before number of 7 is 6, 5, 4, 3. So you have written 3 in the ones place, and then you have to subtract in the tens place number. 6 in the mind and 4 in the fingers. 6 before, 5, 4, 3, 2. So write 2 in the tens place. So this is the thing that you have to subtract. So we have compared the number with this to Ronnie. We have compared the Riya's number. So we got the answer for Riya. So how much stickers does Riya have? Riya have 23 stickers. So write as Riya have how many stickers? 23 stickers. So this will be the answer. So answer is Riya has 23 stickers. So here what we have compared? The number of Riya sticker and the Ronnie sticker. How we have compared? They have compared which is less stickers than Ronnie. The Ronnie's number is 67. So we have compared this two numbers 67 minus 44. 44 is subtracted to this number 67. So the next problem is 52 girls and 43 boys are watching a circus. How many more girls are watching this circus? So what is given in the question? They have given two numbers, that is one for girls and one for boys. 52 girls and 43 boys are watching circus. What is the question given here? How many more girls are watching the circus? So what they have compared is, they have compared these two numbers, girls and boys. So they have asked for how many more than the boys are the girls are watching than the boys. They have asked more, means the above, how many இவங்களை விட எவ்வளோ அதிகமாக. So that more is given. How many more girls are watching than the boys? The question is given here. So first we have to write the solution. That is, for solution first we have to write the girls number. The girls who are watching the circus. So write as girls alone. Girls who are watching circus. The number is 52. And the next one is the boys. Boys are watching a circus. How many number is given? 43 boys are watching circus. So what we are going to find? How many more girls are watching? So write more girls. We are going to find this. How many more girls than boys we are going to find? So first we have to write the places. Ones, tens. Here there is two number, right? So we are writing up 2-digit number. So we are writing up to tens place. So write the first number 52. That is, we have to compare these two numbers. 2 in the ones place and 5 in the tens place. And the next number is 43. 3 in the ones place and 4 in the tens place. Now we can subtract these two numbers. First we have compared these two numbers, that is 52 minus 43. 43 is subtracted to the number 52. So first we have to subtract in the ones place number. So here we have to take first number in the mind and the second number in the fingers. So before that we have to check whether the first number is greater than the second number. How it is looks like? The first number is smaller than this number. So we have to borrow the number from that. So how will you borrow? First you have to cancel from the tens place number and write the before number what is given in the tens place. What is the number before 5? 4. So write 4. So this is the number we have borrowed. So what will be the ones place? Ones place you will cancel the number 2 and write the number 1 before the number. So you got the number as 12. Now take 12 in the mind and 3 in the fingers. Say before number of 12 is 11, 10, 9. So write the number 9 in the ones place. You all know how to subtract the numbers with regrouping. We have seen in the before classes how to subtract. That is by borrowing the number from that number. The tens place we have to borrow the number. So here what we have done, we have borrowed from the tens place. We have written the before number what is given in the first place. We have written as 4 and then we have written 1 before the number this. So we have got as 12. So now we have subtracted in the ones place at first. First number in the mind and second number in the fingers. Say before number of 12 is 11, 10, 9. So you have written 9 here in the ones place. And now we have to subtract in the tens place number. So 4 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. So 4 minus 4, same number to the same number is subtracted means your answer will be 0. So see here 4 is given, 4 is given. If we say counted before number of 4 means 3, 2, 1, 0. So the same thing. While we are subtracting the same number to the same number means you will get the same answer. So the answer is 9. How many more girls are watching to the circus. 9 members are watching. 9 girls are watching the circus. So the answer will be, how many more girls are watching? 9 more girls are watching. 9 more girls are watching a circus. So this will be the answer. So what we have done, first we have compared this number by subtracting, then we have subtracted from the ones place. First number is less than the second number, so we have borrowed from the tens place. Then we have got 12. So we have kept 12 in the mind and 3 in the fingers. We have said before number of 12, then we have got the answer as 9. While we are subtracting same to the number, we have got the answer as 0. So the answer is 9. So we have found that as 9 more girls are watching a circus. We have subtracted these two numbers, that is we have compared and subtracted. First 52 is there, that is girls number, then the boys number. The question is how many more girls are watching the circus. To find how many more means above we have to subtract that numbers. So the next question is, this one has 87 animal posters and Ria has 65. Who has more posters? How many more posters does he or she have? So here there are two questions they have asked. We have to note to that. First one is, who is having more posters? So we have to name that person. And the second question is, how many more posters does he or she have? So we have to find that number also. How many more means the number we have to mention. The first one is we have to mention the name, and the number also we have to mention who is having more number of posters. Who under Rizwan has 87 animal posters. That Rizwan is having 87, Ria has 65 animal posters. So here we have to compare these two numbers, then only we can get the answer for what is given here. That is how many more means more who is having we can find by comparing that numbers. Comparing means we have to subtract those two numbers. So first we have to write the solution. So what will you write in the solution part? First, Rizwan's animal posters. Rizwan has how much? 87. Then Ria's number is has 65. So who are having animal posters I have written as 87 and 65. And here we have to find who is having more posters. Who has more posters, and then we have to find how many more posters does he or she have. So we have to find who is having more. We have to find more posters, the name and as well as the number. So the next what we have to do is we have to write the places here. What is given? 2 digit is given, so we have to write the places. So write the places, ones place and the tens place. Then we can find for who is having more posters, the name and as well as the number. So what is the number? 87, 7 in the ones place and 8 in the tens place. And the next one is 5 in the ones place and 6 in the tens place. Now we have to subtract these two numbers. How will you subtract? First in the ones place and then in the tens place. So 7 in the mind, first number in the mind and second number in the fingers. Say the before number of 7 is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So write 2 in the ones place. And then you have to subtract from the tens place number. 8 in the mind and 6 in the fingers. Say before number of 8 is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So write 2 in the tens place. So we have got the answer as 22. So we have found that 22 is more number, that is how many more posters does he or she have. So we have to find who is having more. So who is having more? The more number is 87, whether 87 is great or 65 is great. 87 is greater number. So we automatically know who is having the more number of animal posters. Who has more posters is 87, that is Rizwan. So you will write as Rizwan has 87 animal posters, who is having more number. So how many more Rizwan is having? We have found that as Rizwan is having 22 more posters than Riya. So write the answer as more posters we have found, that is 22 more posters we have found. So more poster that Rizwan has. Rizwan, so write the answer as Rizwan has more. Right from the question itself, Rizwan has more posters. So this will be the answer for the first question. Rizwan has more posters. So how many more we have found? By subtracting these two numbers, we have found as 22. So write the answer as, that is 22 more posters Rizwan have. So 22 more posters Rizwan have than the Riya. So who is having more posters? Rizwan is having more posters. And how many more he is having? 22 more posters Rizwan have than the Riya. So how we have found? First we have mentioned how many posters does Rizwan have and Riya have, and then we have mentioned what we have found, what we need to find, and then we have gave the places, and then we have given the values for each of the places for comparing those two numbers. So we have compared and found the answer that how many more is that Rizwan has. So automatically we have found which number is greater, and then we have found said as Rizwan has more number of posters, and then we have found for subtracting these two numbers we have found as 22 more posters Rizwan have. So this is the answer that we have got for the question. So two questions had given, which one and all, who has more posters, the name we have to mention. That is the first question, we should not forget that. Then the next one is how many more posters does he or she. So he mentioned as Rizwan and she mentioned as Riya. So we have found that Rizwan only have more, and how many more he is having? 22 more posters he is having than the Riya. So now these two questions are homework sums for you. The first one is Ankit has 73 stamps and Anik has 91. So how many more stamps does Aniket have than Ankit? So we have to find how many more stamps does Aniket have than Ankit. So there are two numbers given here, that is 73 and 91. Ankit and Niket. So these two numbers we have to compare for the stamps number, that is 73 and 91. So we have to compare which one is the greatest number, and we have to write the greatest number first. So here which one is greatest number? 91. So first write the solution part, who Ankit and Niket. So write those two names and write the numbers in the order, 73 and then 91 for Niket. So after that what you will do? We will do by writing who is having more. We have to find that. So the next one is we have to give the places, ones place and the tens place. First we have to give the places, and then only we have to fill the number. Here we have to compare the number. So first we have to write the greatest number. So here the number is 91 and here is 73. So write the number 91 first and then 73 next. So write the number 91 and next write 73. So now subtract the number. First you have to subtract in the ones place and then in the tens place number. How will you subtract? You will borrow from the tens place. Why we are borrowing? Here the first number is less than the second number. So we have to borrow. We cannot keep in mind and we cannot say before number of 1. So we have to borrow the number from the tens place. How will you borrow? You will cancel the number what is given here and then write the number before the number. Here what number is given? 9. So before number of 9 is 8. So write 8 in the tens place and write 1 before the number in the ones place. Cancel this number and write as 11. Now keep that number 11 in the mind and 3 in the fingers, then you will get the answer for ones place and then you will subtract from the tens place. So here you have borrowed the number 8 and you have given the number here. So here the number will be 8 and then you have to subtract those two numbers, first number in the mind and the second number in the fingers, and you will find the answer. So do this as your homework sum. And the next one is Mary has 34 apples. She gives 25 apples to John. How many apples are left with her? Left with her means the remaining how much does she have? So we have to subtract these two numbers. We have to compare the numbers by subtracting. Then first we have to give the place values 1 and 10. Why we are writing up to 10? Because it is a 2-digit number. So write up to 10's place and then fill the values in the places 34 and 25. 4 in the ones place, 3 in the tens place. Here 5 in ones place, 2 in the tens place. Then automatically you know how to subtract the number and find the answer, that how many apples are left with her. So we have to find that one. So here we have seen about two things, subtracting 0 from a number and subtract to compare. So first we have seen about subtracting 0 from a number, that is while we are subtracting 0 to any number, that number itself will be the result, that is answer. Result means answer. When we subtract 0 from a number, the result is the number itself. So second one is subtract to compare. We have compared the number and then we have subtracted the number that we have seen at last one. So do the homework what I have given to you, and thank you students.